be able to ask a question and get near immediate feedback from your peers in the industry. It's something that's frankly been sorely needed for a very long time. And the ISAC, I think, has really delivered more and more year over year.
That I'm able to lean on and ask questions to. They're not analysts that are working at some company that's been out of the game for a while. These are folks who are in the same seat that I'm in. They're facing the same problems that I'm facing. They're in the same challenges, and I can talk to someone who relates exactly the thing I'm going through, who's seeing a lot of the same problems, who's trying to tackle similar things. And that's a value that you really don't get from a lot of organizations.